Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to see others following list on the Threads app. So you can just see others who are following, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to see other following list on the Threads application. For an example, how to see your following list first. Just click on the followers. You can see 6 followers here. Just click this. So now you can see the followers and following. Just click on the other profile. Now you will see a 40 followers for this another profile. Just click this and you can see the followers who are following here and also the following list also here. So the same thing you can just do for another person. For an example, here I just choose MKBHD. Just click on the followers list. You can see the whole followers, and also like Instagram you can search the followers and also click on the following. You can see who are the list of following friends for MKBHD. You can see here, and you can just type for a person. For an example, Mr. Who's the Boss. I just type as Mr. So you can see the MKBHD following Mr. Who's the Boss and also the Mr. Beast. This is how you just use the following or following list can be easily see by using this particular option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.